Are you literally using Google Workspace to its full potential? Aren't you scheduling appointments one by emails? Or receiving a bunch of messages that actually you do not need to read? Today, in only a few minutes, we will share 7 pro tips you can't afford to miss. Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Kukuri, Japan. We all use Google Workspace in our daily work. But did you know that? Knowing just a few simple tricks can dramatically change your work efficiency.
Yeah, Nishi. I'm sure you know some tricks that would help so much people watching this.
Thanks, Naruto. Today, I'm going to show you 7 of the most time-saving Google Workspace hacks that I personally use and find incredibly useful. After watching this video, your Google Workspace will become your most powerful business tool. Let's get started. As new projects start, your list of chat spaces can grow, making it hard to find the one you need. This is where the pinning feature for spaces comes in handy.
Pinning feature? What is that?
Okay, so let me show you. By pinning your most used spaces, you won't have to waste time scrolling to find them. It's like putting your most frequently used apps on your smartphone's home screen, giving you instant access to what you need.
I see. This is quite nice to keep my most viewed spaces on the top.
Yeah. When you need to ask for a change in your document, do you send a separate chat message like, please fix this part on page X?
Oh, Nishi. Actually, I really do not like to receive this kind of messages.
Yeah, Naruto, you can stop that now. The built-in commenting feature in Google Tools lets you add specific instructions directly to the document. This makes it perfectly clear who needs to do what, and it minimizes miscommunication. Finding specific information in a large Google Sheet can be a real headache. The table feature solves this problem. It organizes your data based on preset conditions, so you don't have to apply a filter every time. This gives you immediate access to the information you need, saving you a huge amount of time you would otherwise spend searching. Do you get tired of sending back and forth emails to schedule meetings with people outside your company?
This one is really boring. How can I improve this?
Naruto, with the appointment schedules feature in Google Calendar, you can set your available times and the other person can simply choose a slot that works for them. There is no need for all that back and forth communications anymore.
Amazing! This is a feature that really must be tried.
The new Gemini feature is incredibly useful, especially for writing email replies.
Before I was not using this much, but once I start, I can't stop it anymore.
Me too! You can ask Gemini to summarize or draft an email reply for you, and it will be done in seconds. Of course, you should still review and edit it to make it sound like you. But this feature can significantly reduce the time you spend on writing emails. I highly recommend it, especially if you handle a lot of routine replies. So if you have so many tasks that you sometimes forget them, the simple but effective Google to-do list is perfect for you. You don't need any complicated feature, just enter your tasks. Since it syncs with Google Calendar, you can also see your tasks right there on your calendar. When you reply to a specific person in Google Chat, it's important to use the @ symbol to link their name. As you move up in your company, you receive more and more chat messages. Using an @ mention sends a notification, so the person knows right away that the message is for them. So this is key for smooth and effective communication. What did you think?
There are some I didn't know, but I especially like the one to comment on documents instead of sending messages.
Nice! Today we covered 7 useful features of Google Workspace. Each one may seem small, but by using them in your daily work, your efficiency will improve dramatically. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next time. Bye 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 bye!